Welcome to the Meyer May House, a masterpiece of prairie architecture designed by the legendary Frank Lloyd Wright. Situated in Grand Rapids, Michigan, this house stands as one of Wright's most elegant prairie residences, showcasing his signature style characterized by block-like masses, piers, and parapets. Constructed on a corner lot, the entrance of the Meyer May House is unique, positioned at the rear center. Wright intentionally designed a circuitous movement within the building. Upon entering, a grille obscures the direct view of the long hall, guiding visitors to turn left, ascend a few steps, then right and left again. The hall reveals itself with an extended vista down its full length, leading to a roofed veranda. As we explore the floor plan, you'll notice the living room on one side, bathed in light from tall glass windows and transoms. The dining room, pantry, kitchen, and rear porch occupy the other side. The dining room is particularly well lit by a band of corner windows, and the dining table, with its four corner posts carrying stained glass lamps, is a distinctive detail found in several of Wright's houses from this era. Wright's attention to detail is evident in the dining room, where the strategic placement of lighting and flower arrangements at the corners of the table allows for unobstructed views, fostering a sense of connection among guests during meals and conversations. The living room boasts spectacular fenestration, with tall glass windows bringing in side light and matching skylights illuminating the space from above. An outdoor tiled terrace accessible from the porch extends the living space, connecting the interior with the surrounding landscape. Throughout the house, the leaded glass is a key design element, rich in both intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The tall windows above the entry fill the stair landing on the second floor with light. The second floor offers a morning room, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a servant's room with a bathroom. A second stairway connects the servants' quarters to the kitchen below. The master bedroom, situated above the living room, features its own fireplace. The exterior of the Meyer May House is defined by block-like masses, piers, and parapets, complemented by bands of leaded glass windows, creating a visually stunning effect both inside and out. Originally designed in 1908 for a prominent Grand Rapids clothier, the Meyer May House was purchased by Steelcase in 1985. Through meticulous restoration, the house was opened to the public in 1987, complete with original furnishings and faithfully executed reproductions. The connection between Frank Lloyd Wright and Steelcase dates back to 1936, when Steelcase was contracted to manufacture Wright-designed furniture for the Johnson Wax Administration Building. In honor of this collaboration, the Meyer May House is owned and maintained by Steelcase today, allowing visitors a rare opportunity to experience a prairie house exactly as Frank Lloyd Wright intended. As we conclude our exploration of the Meyer May House, I hope you've enjoyed this immersive journey into the architectural brilliance of Frank Lloyd Wright. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more architecture enthusiasts like yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at iconic architectural wonders and insightful discussions about design. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the stories behind the structures that shape our world. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of architecture. See you in the next video.